Do you think there's a connection between the two?
Mina, I think so ukuthi there was, because wabulawa ngepoison and we don't know ukuthi uyihle kuphi. Uyabona? Athi abantu abathathu amahle bakhuluma naye. So ingqondo yami ithi ulahleko wami umntwana wathatha apha amanamba wakho ukuthi bakhulume nawe batshele wena izinto ekubeni wami umntwana ulahlekile wakho akalahlekanga. So mina ngihlukumezeke ngale ndlela yokuthi manje ngifuna ukuthatha impilo yami manje.
Okay.
Let me not live because of izinto abantu bebazisho kimi. Yabona? Abanye bathi ngithwele ngaye, yabona, abanye bathi yabona nje bakuthuka abantu ungazi ukuthi for ini, yabona?
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and I'll be your host for today. The purpose of this podcast is to amplify the voices of those that feel that they want to be listened to. The purpose of this podcast is so that we could also listen to the person that has come through with their story and learn how to better navigate the situation when it happens to us. We also want to build a strong community of people, brothers and sisters, that are able to come together and resolve the more minor issues that we're struggling with as a country. Now, today we've got Nokulunga, who has come through to share his story. Once again, I'd like to also remind you to like, share, subscribe, and do whatever it is that you can to make this platform to be what it's becoming. We are most grateful and happy to have you as part of today's journey. Sawubona Nokulunga.
Yebo bhuti njani?
Ukhona njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Sikhona. Ithi ngithi sisu Nokulunga. Because that's a more respectable way of approaching it. Mhlambe singathi uNokulunga ubani?
Unokulunga wakwaNkosi ozala ubaba no mama uNkosi.
Okay.
I'm originally from Mpumalanga, Emalelane.
Okay.
Yeah, at Jeppes Reef. I was born there.
Okay.
And we moved to Itsakane.
Okay.
Maybe when I was 6 years old, we moved to Gauteng.
Okay.
Because of umsebenzi kababa was here in Gauteng. So since then, sihlala ngapha eGauteng. Since then, but family aminingi is Mpumalanga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
nice.
la sendlini nje ngihlala nobaba nama siblings wami.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Kunjani nje endlini nje la nihlala khona? Maybe before, let's give it a timeline and go back to before
amahlala
yeah,
sheka.
before the incident that we're talking about happened today.
Yo, mina ekhaya siyalihlanyela nje.
Okay.
Kumnandi because isibaningi.
Okay.
So abantu abaningi nje sibantu nje abathandanayo ke ekhaya. So abantu abasupportive kakhulu. So like nje kumnandi ukuhlala ekhaya.
Yeah.
Kahle mawuhlala ekhaya noma na ufika nje ungazivela nje ukuthi ntweni yabona la angisahamba ngake. Yeah, so ekhaya ekhaya elifudumele.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's
nice.
cool. No, that's beautiful. It's a very beautiful experience to have a warm upbringing.
Yes.
Yeah, because it takes you to a lot of spaces.
Yes.
Maybe at least because now we've got a background in terms of Ugutu Ban and Ugutu Buyapi. Maybe let's get into the story for the day. Nanoguti he negletala namhlanje.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ezingishilo mina nguNokulunga wakwaNkosi. Ngingumama kaAmahle Thabethe owalahleka 2019. So ukuze ngize lana it's because ngidinga usizo ngale case. Yeah. So uAmahle walahleka ngomhla ka6 kuApril 2019.
Okay.
Yes, it was a Saturday. And yazi Saturday nje sizihlalele endlini, so acele mama ngicela ukuyohlala nami ngaphandle nabanye abantwana. It was cold that day.
Okay.
So ngithi mina kuye okay ungahamba uyodlala but kumele ugcoke ujezi ugcoke amaboots because kuyabanda. Ke ngoba ke wayumntana olalelayo ke uAmahle. So athathe vele agcoke aphuma hamba athi ngizoyodlala lapha yakulendle esekhonini asho nokuthi uyodlala laphi. Ngizoyodlala kulendle esekhonini lapha eMathwinsini. ngithi mina okay because mina ke ngumuntu o checka nayo ukuthi umntana usakhona na usadlala la athe uyadlala khona. So ngithi ngabo 11 ngithi ngiyomcheka sengifuna azodla ke because yabazi mase badlale kakhulu bakhohlwa nokuthi kumele bazodla endlini. So ngihambe ngiyomcheka. Mangisahamba ngiyomcheka kanjalo ngizwa ingane izikhuluma nje yabona like bazikhulumela. Athi uswile ukuthi amahlo uhambile. So angithatheli because mina ngiyala. Ngazi ukuthi ukhona umntwana. Amahlo uhambile. So ngicabanga ukuthi abakhulumi nayo ngowami ke amahlo because baningi abantwana bawo amahlo. So ngihambe mangifika lapha kulendlu leyo ngithola abanye badlala ama twins awekho around lapho. So ngithola laba abanye abadlala nabo basho the same thing but amahlo kufika umunye ubhuti wamthatha. Ngithi uvele weza kuamahle nje vele wafike wamthatha. Bathi yebo ufike weza kuamahle wafike wathatha uamahle. So ngithi mina apha ama twins. Yabona bathi ama twins akhona avele eli1. Ngithi yebo mama ka amahle kunjalo kufika umunye ubhuti. Thina size sazama nokulandela silandelile kena bakhombisa ke indlela abalandelile baze bafika lapho bathi ubhuti mabafika lapho wathi kubo hayi nina seningajika ngizomletha kumama kumntwana ntambama. So as abantwana because vele bekwi age group because bebana 8 bonke leso sikhathi. So bajike ke. So mina into eyangimangaza ukuthi ndeni okay fine mabeza lokho mhlambe uyi1 makabona leso sikhathi because mhlambe uhambe ngaleso sikhathi mina thina ngisho sikakamboni ngithi ngisayomcheka ngabo 11 so uhambe before 11 amahle makahamba. So manje sengithi sisiyafuna ke sengicala ngitshela laba abanye abomakhelwane ukuthi no naku kuthiwa amahlo uhambile and abantwana abamazi lo bhuti ngimbuzela ngithi lo bhuti lo manje nimbona niyamazi nikhe nambona na abantwana bathi besicala ukumbona la kule ndawo lo muntu loyo asimazi maruthe uzombuyisa kumama yakhe late. So ke abomakhelwane ke baphume kushaya impempe yabona kuthiwe ke ayifuna umntwana so ubhuti wami athi yazini asambe police station yithi saziyele police station yabona because sesibona ukuthi no man isikhathi siyahamba. So sihambe maybe it was around 1 masifike police station. So masifike police station ke sibhalise ke nasisho ukuthi hayi ulahlekile bekagcoke so sisho ke ukuthi bagcoke kanjani. So amaphoyisa ke asicale ke sesiyofuna umntwana kube khona laba abaphumayo ke amaphoyisa sihambe sifuna umntwana kule area yami la ngihlala khona la lahleke khona vele. Simfune ngapho amaphoyisa ashiye endleleni ke sichubeke thina as a community siloko simfune ubusuku bonke amahle ngaleyo Saturday leyo. So omunye ubhuti athi yazini kumele ngoba sikabo 12 ebusuku athi sizama ukufuna ihelicopter mhlambe sikhanyisele la emahlathini la sifuna ukungena khona sicheck. So epolice station basitshela ukuthi no ithathi process lento leyo bakusamele babhale yabona in so sizifunele thina as a community amathoshi abantu bayakhanyisa sizifunele then ukuqala kwami ukumposta ukuthi ngibone ukuthi no asimthuli. It was Sunday vele abo 1:30 vele kuseni sengiyaposta ke ngiyasho ukuthi umuntu ombonayo alone. So ulahleke Saturday. Yes because angisho bese simfuna bese simreportile mase simfuna vele throughout kwaze kwafika leyo Sunday le ekseni sesithi vele siyabona ukuthi vele akatholakala. So sesiyamfaka ke ku Facebook ukuthi ombonayo yabona sicela nje asisize ukuthi asifunise yena yabo. So vele Sunday futhi kuphinde kuqhubeke kisession. Sesiyaqhubeka siqala ke uyazi ke iDore sesiyaqala ziba ziningi ke manje sesiyagijima basitshela ukuthi no babone omunye ubaba hamba nabantwana abaningi. Uyabona uhamba nabantwana abaningi nje lo baba ubafolisa iline bahamba naye nje bayamlandela. Sesiyagijima siya lapha ngisifuna ingane. Siyagijima siya lapho masifika lapho bathi ayikho into enjalo. kukho baba ondlulile la ophethe abantwana like the way istory beziba ziningi ngakhona bese ngiba overwhelmed
Okay.
kakhulu like bese kuba ngathi ukubona kuba ngathi khona umuntu okushokayo man emzimbeni it's like sigijima up and down sifuna umntwana so Siloko simfuna kanjalo ke samfuna ayike kube ukuthi vele sesithola ke umuntu ozosisiza ke ngecase ke
Okay.
ayenze ke ubaba lo vela interview la umntana bekadlala because bamthatha eJardini abamthatha ngeStratini
Obangenile
bangene eJardini bamthatha bamthatha eJardini khona phakathi so vele ubaba vela aqale lapho la umntana lahleke khona ke asho ukuthi hayi no vele lapha yana vele uyile in samfuna vele ngoba khona umuntu vele oboshwayo because iye yaduma leyo ukuthi kwaba khona umuntu oboshwayo so ubaba lo ophethe case wathi ngimbophela because I description yabo enginikezwe ama twins neimpahla ebakazigcokile ezinali amachufu la bathi amahlu uhambe khona so impahla zakhe zinalezi zinto lezo and I description yaka bhuti injalo so bamthathe ke bamfake ebody stitch bamfake ke bathi for solanka sisafuna icase then kwatholakala ukuthi no akusubuye
beka umuntu wasendaweni
bekumuntu wasendaweni but not around mina kwenye I-section so wathola ukuthi akusuye ke then base bayamkhulula ukuthi I know akusuye vele umuntu othatha amahla so saloko ke sifuna abantu bafika bathi bazosiza but bavele banyamalala umuntu angasabuyi ukuzosho ukuthi hayi mhlambe ayinhlulekile vele ngesikhathi esiso so then kwafika ukuthi ndeni kube ukuthi bathi ngcono senzeni imashi se-police station so imashi it was nge-17 ka-April nge-17 ka-April it was a successful march because I didn't know ukuthi abantu they will support me kangaka yabona because abantwana bayalahleka abanye yabona kuyathuleka nje but uthe makulahleka amahli support engayithola ku community vele the community ethe siyibiza kwaTsaduza yes it was very much so sahamba saya la people station ke sayenza kwaTotoya then ngakusasa it was the 18th ka April kufika umbali umama womntana obusithu baba ka Amahla yes so umama umntana obusithu then imaka fika endlini athi abantu abathathu Amahla bakhuluma naye so ingqondo yami ithi kulahleko wami umntwana wathatha amanamba wakho ukuthi bakhulume nawe batshele wena izinto ekubeni wami umntwana ulahlekile wakho akalahlekanga so bawathatha amanamba wakhe ukuthi bafonele yena bamtshele zonke lezi zinto bebamtshela zona because amanamba akhona awami bebafaka wami kakhulu amanamba so at least ngabe ba contact mina bengizo understand ukuthi vele amanamba amacele ku Facebook yabona abantu baloku baposta lelo so wafika endlini wasitshela ukuthi bathi bazomkhipha etrugini kumele khanjwe kweSasolburg umntwana uzokhishwa so nakhona angisho as umama umntana ngithi okay na uzosiza and umuntu vele bengingamcabangi nokuthi angaye yabona noma bangibuza ukuthi nje ubaba umntwana kanjani ngamtshela no unabantwana abayi3 different mothers but angibasoli kangako because abakazi bangenza intembi ukuthi yabona ngazi basole ukuthi yiba bangayenza lento le so yena provoked wezendlini azosho lento ayishoyo ukuthi emele khanjwe so as umama umntana ngisho ngifuna ukuhamba umntana nami lo simfunayo so ngifuna ukuhamba ngiyobona ukuthi umntana nami vele siyamthola njoba asho athi kimi no wena ungahambi wazikhethela abantu abakumele abahambe wathi no wena kumele ngihambe because labantu ba dangerous uzofika mhlambe mawubona amahla so uyascreama yabona yonke lento le bathi endlini hayi ungahamba wazikhethela abantu ahamba nabo ke wathatha ubaba wathatha ubhuti wami wathatha uanti ka Amahla wathatha ubaba uncane ka Amahla wahamba nabo bayiSasolburg babuya bangamphethanga umntwana ne mabafika ke sebasitshela bathi hayi uthi labantu laba bacanga ukuthi sifike namaphoyisa and bashilo ukuthi singezi namaphoyisa labantu laba abuye athi hayi bathi bazombeka ePhulusong ihospital lapha eTsakani
Okay.
abuye athi hayi bathi bazombeka ePhulusong abobhuti bami bahambe baye ePhulusong necousin yami bathi okay thina ngabo 5 isihambise ePhulusong because umntwana asho bathi bazombeka khona lapha ngaphandle ePhulusong thina sivele sithatha umntwana sibuye naye ke bafike baseshe ePhulusong nomntwana ubhuti wami athi ashiye lapha umbali athi yena because beka pregnant at that time
Okay.
ashiye lapha athi yena une appointment neGyno so bazasala baseshe umntwana yena uyahamba ahambe ke ubhuti wami athi ahambe ke then khona ngalezo 19 abuye entambama sekabuya nosisi wakhe umbali
Okay.
sekabuya nosisi wakhe ubuya nesicibhezane sephepha uthi nawa ama plate number wale moto le ethathu amahle and this person uye i-ring leader laba batshontsha abantwana so yili i-ring leader and nihambe niye eBrakpan khona indlu ene basement kugcwele abantwana so my question was uyazi lapha information engaka if there's nothing ayaziyo so maphoyisa siwatshele this thing maphoyisa maswatshela hayi maphoyisa sifailile ngifuna uqamba manga because thina we see ukuthi there's a lead ngombali you can't take abantu bahambise up and down but you don't know nothing so swatshela amaphoyisa vele mabaya kumbali ababuyi uzositshela ukuthi kwenzakalani baye bahambe njalo maqeda lapho masibabuza ukuthi hawu senile kumbali kuthiwe hayi umbali bekasiza bavele nje basiphendula kusho amaphoyisa bathi hayi umbali bekasiza and umbali akusi-suspect yabona bathi hayi umbali akusi-suspect bekasiza so kwingqondo zethu family yakankosi nakaThabethe sizibuza ukuthi akasi-suspect kanjani information engaka she knows ukuthi kunama-basement kunabantwana uyithatha information engaka so and usisi wami ukho wambuza wathi Mbali are you sure ukuthi sizomthola umntwana njengoba usimise eSasolburg sizomthola umntwana na wathi I'm 100% sure bazosinikeza umntwana mara umntwana thi today again but ke mina enye into engenza ukuthi ngiloko ngithi angiyitholi iclosure ngale nto eyenza umbali because at least ngabe mhlambe baye bathi hayi simcheckile samchecka sambona ukuthi mhlambe akekho right engqondweni then hayi bekayenza nje yabona but manje ayikho iclosure sisase nemibuzo ukuthi bekayenzelani into eso yabona bathi bekasiza you can't ukuthi usiza abantu lokuba yisale nale kungayikho leyo mphumela lokuthi izoba khona so after that vele kwaba khona abantu abathi bayasiza but bayanyamalala babuyi ne-information ukuthi no hayi yabona mhlambe makunje sek-right yabona yeah sishile sayala cause babangithumela amanye ama-IO but angwazi they never came ekhaya ngazi ayi-3 mina kuphela abantu abaloku batshintsha kule case yes ngazi abayi-3 kuphela so lo wokugcina lo amanje njoba sebazothi case closed lo wokugcina lo amanje sigcine e-KZN because there was a sister bekaloko abhala ku social media ukuthi uyangifuna yabona nomntana so masilandelela lo sisi vele kunomntwana bathi wafika 2020 laphayana so yena makalandelela le story wathi makakhumbula ukuthi amahle lahle ngo-2019 so lo mntana ubukeka njengo-amahle lo olapho so uphoyisa vele yena wawenza ke umsebenzi wakhe sahamba saya khona ukuthi vele siyoba ne-show ukuthi uye amasifika lapha sathola ukuthi hayi umntwana vele unokufana kancane no-amahle but mncane lo yana bekana una-9 because amahle last year bekuyenza 14 ise uzoyenza 15 so sathola ukuthi no akusuye akusiye so uyazi ukuthi mawumama uzochecka nezinye izinto so bathi bebayenzelele ukuthi mhlambe ngichecke izinto ukuthi no amahle yamazi ukuthi unani so ngathola ukuthi vele no hayi akusuye vele then after that icase yavalwa So now the case is closed. That's why I'm saying and ukuze umngane wami angisize ukuthi ngikhulume. She was worried because sekuthule kakhulu.
Okay.
Uyabona? She was worried ukuthi no hayi man sekuthule kakhulu ngalomntwana. Uyabona? So ngifuna ukuthi njengoba nje icase seyiclose sesine right ukuthi singakhuluma manje because angisho lesikhathi base restrictor ukuthi because akumelanga ngikhulume lokho akumelanga ngikhulume lokho. So manje like sikhuluma abantu bakhona ukusisiza uyabona because sesizamile.
Yeah.
Ayikho into engayizamanga. Ukuthi ngifuna kahle ngifuna iclosure because I don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
Yabona ngabe mhlambe ngamthola shonile ngamngcwaba ngambika lapha bengizobe ngazi ukuthi ayulapha kulela thuni uyabona. So manje and after that kulahle ku amahle umntana kasisi wami washona ngenye indlela esingayi understand.
Oh, is it?
Yes, washona ngenye indlela esingayi understand case yakhona ayinakwanga. Yeah, so like we were like isho ukuthi vele la endlini ama case wakhona nje angeka nakho.
Do you think there's a connection between the two?
Mina I think so ukuthi there was because wabulawa ngepoison and we don't know ukuthi uyihle kuphi. Uyabona? So I think it was because yena ke bekuumuntu othi makazobona imoto isondlula kaningi estradini ubeyilandelela.
Okay.
Afuna ukwazi ukuthi le moto wayiphithizela kangaka ngasendlini. Uyabona? Nomuntu nje angathi uyamsola yabo bekuumuntu nje bekuyi-PI yethu endlini.
Okay.
Uyabona nje asilandelele labo asho ukuthi yazi ngibona umuntu so manje uyangisolisa yabona bekuumuntu onjalo. Kanti ke uzoshona ke ngaleyo poison singayazi ukuthi uyihle kuphi uyabona. So manje like kusase nalesilonda sika amahle then kwenzeka la futhi into eso uyabona ukuthi asipholi like even if nasesibhedlela abahlali basho bathi isilonda sakho sazi ukuthi siyophola kanjani because lento oyifunayo awuyiboni and mina ngifuna iclosure ukuthi like mhlambe ngiyazi ukuthi ndeni mhlambe noma ke bayizali naleso certificate bathi declare this person dead yabona like ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but angakabi nale feeling ukuthi akekho. I still believe ukuthi she's out there. Yes, ukhona khona la akhona. So like that's why ngisazo ngizelana ukuthi then I know like I saw the story sikacwecwe ukuthi I know ukuthi at least mawukhuluma ama platform so uyathola usizo.
Yeah, true.
Yes. Uyathola usizo.
Ubuzo wami mina ongunawo maybe ukubuyisela emuva kancane. Your relationship no
baba ka amahle.
No asiqale la.
Okay.
Ukuthi nihlangane kuphi? Yini ekenza ukuthi uthi hayi nangu baba ngizohlala naye uright lo.
Sahlala khona eTsakani. Yeah, just ngihamba nje nama friends la wami just wang approach ke wang approach. So like he was a funny person. Yeah, was a funny person. Uyathanda and mina ke ngumlomuntu serious. Yeah, like yabona abantu abaningi bayangisaba. So yena weza. So like ivele saxoxa then ngambona kumuntu right. Uthi hayi vele sa data then kwaba kanjalo ke na bekungasomuntu ngathi yabona snacks or njani but he was there even now umntana ke bekamthanda kakhulu. Then waboshwa ke but masekaboshwa bese singasazwani.
Okay.
Yes, bese singasazwani. Besekazwana nomama umntana kusithu.
Okay.
Yes. So bese singasazwani so I didn't know ukuthi waboshelwani yabona bese vele singasazwani but wathi makaphuma for iparole he was there.
Okay.
Ukuthi ngilahlekele umntwana nami. Angikho right. Yabona so kwaba kanjalo ke ukuthi lokho vele sisizana ngokufuna umntwana ezine family yakhe vele sisizana nayo kakhulu ngokufuna umntwana then but manje akasekho. Yeah ushonile so yeah ushonile manje. Yeah sure akasekho ke manje.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I wanted to also find out ukuthi ubuthe unabantana abayi3.
Yes.
Nabo mama bahlukene. I think you are one of them. So
yes.
Laba abanye abantana abayi2 bavela wena usuhlukene naye or was it before?
Lo mara lo obustere vele sesihlukene.
Okay.
ubus3 lo ubus2 uvele nakhona bese singasathandani kakhulu like ukuthi nje ngasekuqaleni angazi mhlawumbe sokunalento leyo yabona ukuthi inteni ngathi mhlawumbe ngiyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani so but lo munye uvele ngisasekhona
All right. And then what's your relationship? How would you describe your relationship with these two other ladies before this whole thing started?
No, the third one I don't know her.
Bongamazi.
Yeah, the third one I don't know her. Lo munye bese right.
Right.
Yeah, because noma bekafuna usizo bekanokungitshela. Then sisizana because angisho ubaba umntana mvelo sejele so makazothi hayi mhlambe sifuna ilawyer ukuthi liyabona ini imali ngakho because bengisebenza mina ngibengisebenza so makafuna imali ngaka bengi-eda athi mhlambe sesinemali engaka sicela usedele imali ngaka so bengi-eda because otherwise umbaba umntanami nami angeke angifuni umntanami yabona yakhula so bengisiza nje lapho bekungekho into esnacks for phakathi kwami naye bengekho i-bad blood.
And then maybe then going forward you did say Umbali.
Yes.
So at that point when Umbali comes to your place,
yes,
kwenzakala kanjani mekefika uthini kuwe? I mean it must have been a shocking experience. Paint me a picture of that day ukuthi bukuphi wangena wathini because uthi bongamazi.
Umbali angisho nje vele besihlala sihlangana vele ifamily kaThabethe nekankosi besihlala sisonke. So besisonke because it was 8 ebusuku 8 p.m. So sisihlalele babaze i-support engaka yeMarch because angisho beyingayizolo nge17 and nge18 so sibhizi siyakhuluma sithi at least i-support ikhona yabona siyakhuluma wangena yena yabona makangena ufike wahlala phansi wabulisa vele kahle wahlala phansi wase waqala ke le story sakhe sokuthi yena ucontact abantu abaphethe amahle makafika ufike washo kanjalo wathi ucontact bekangakhulumi nami kuphela beyakhuluma nathi sonke endlini so ucontact abantu abaphethe amahle bathi mele siphuthume bazomkhipha etruckini leyo truck nayo inabantwana but khona umuntu ozosikhiphela amahle kuleyo truck leyo bese thina siyafika siyamthatha la siyomthatha khona la siyakhona manje so ubaba mina makasho babuncane amahluthi babuncane amahle kuye wafika abantu abangigcoka ngathi into zamasoja bazoshesha imoto yami bayisesha imoto bahamba labo bantu labo because thina ngisho vele sitshela ukuthi satshela ukuthi singayi namaphoyisa yabona because labantu laba ba dangerous and you trust that person ukuthi no ufuna umntwana naye uyabona so uthi maceda lapho bathi kuzofika iBM ready izokhipha umntwana so baba mathi iBM ready yandlula sisamile kuleyo garage leyo so ukubona mawutshela amaphoyisa istory so you will think ukuthi bazogijima babuyele nakuleyo garage leyo because ngisho kune footage yokuthi vele abantu abasobafikile bazwana do you know ukuthi baya after 8 months esasobheka usazoyithola le footage angeke usayithola le footage
so mifika le moto red ifika iyandlula
nje yes bathi ifike le iyandlula yabona so ubaba muthi because vele la besikhona khona kunama truck so amaphoyisa masewaya ngaleli after 8 months there so umnikazi wegarage achaza athi no this is stop la ma long distance trucker afika stop khona baphumula khona uyabona stop nje sama truck so ukuthi baphumula khona nje kuphela mababuya ku long distance so la baphumula khona
no ngiyibona and then maybe coming to you personally it affected kanjani this whole thing
yazi uzibone ngathi sewusezulwini vele kusoshonile like I've been through a lot because nabantu angisho yabazi nabantu nabo nabantu nabo they will make you feel ukuthi inteni ne emhlabeni nabantu abakhohlakele So uyazi ukuthi mawuvelele into so kuzoba nabantu aba-right kube nabantu ababi. So mina ngihlukumezeke ngale ndlela yokuthi manje ngifuna ukuthatha impilo yami manje.
Okay.
Let me not live because of izinto abantu bebazisho kimi. Yabona? Abanye bathi ngithwele ngaye, yabona abanye bathi yabona nje bakuthuka abantu ungazi ukuthi for ini, yabona?
Abantu abahlobene nawe?
No, abantu nje yabona because kusuke kwamosheka ukuthi kufakwa ama number wami ku Facebook. Everyone was taking lawo ma number there. Bona akhuluma into ayifuna ukuyikhuluma. So vele ngoJune 2019 nga-admitted then in the psychiatric hospital.
Okay.
Then nga-admit every year I'm admitted makufika 6. Even manje nathi sengibuya khona manje nje ngo-April bengikhona phakathi. That's when umngane wami njalo bangisho uyaza azongibona isibele makazongibona athi mawuphuma la because nje case seyivaliwe funa mawuphuma la sikhulume. Sifuna usizo because umntwana la khona naye uyafuna umama wakhe la khona. Uyabona la khona nje naye nje uyasho ukuthi kanti umama wenza njani akasezi ukuzongilanda. So manje that's why ke sicale ukuthi yabona sicela usizo sikhulume yabona because abantu abaningi yabona manje mhlambe sengizoba nasenkingeni manje because abantu abaningi they don't know me.
Okay.
Abantu abaningi bengihamba nje umuntu akhulume ngomntana wami ngila. They don't know me. But manje mhlambe mabangibona bazosho ukuthi mama amahlilo yabona. So but I know vele ukuthi kuzoba nabantu ababi yabona manje but but abantu abaningi mina they didn't know umama amahle, they know amahle.
Okay.
But they didn't know umama ka amahle yabona. Abantu abaningi bayangitshela ukuthi ndeni like engihlangana nabesibhedlela then masikhuluma like because kuba nama classes abasenzisa wona like wabolose yabona in siyahlangana sikhuluma then bakubuza ukuthi into ekulethe esibhedlela mawusho abantu abaningi they were like we know your child story but we don't know you. Yabona siyajabula masikubona yabona ukuthi usaphila yabona. So ngiyabatshela ngithi yabona kuyaphileka esimeni sometimes. Esimeni kuyaphileka futhi yaphileka futhi mawukholwa kakhulu yaphileka. Mina ngizame kaningi ukuzibulala but I think it's because asikakafisi kasami sokuthi ngihambe yabona ngizame kakhulu ngike ngazama even inside a hospital ukuthi ngizibulale but isikhathi masingakafiki short asikafiki. Isikhathi or mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu uthi then ufaka kanjani ungakafezi lento oyifunayo uyayibona. So manje vele icase ivaliwe yabona seke
mhlawumbe singakafiki lapho ecasini. I feel ukuthi everything you experience is you go through that for purpose. uNkulunkulu angeke akuvele akufake enyupheni ingekho into ekumele uyifunde. Sometimes uba nzima ukuthi uyithole lento ekumele uyithole kodwa impilo. Kodwa mina where I'm sitting I feel ukuthi I always say this to my guests ukuthi you stand to represent other mothers yabona that are going through what you're going through. Bayalahleke abantwana eMzansi baningi kakhulu bayanyamalala bayashona ziningi izinto ezenzakala ebantwaneni kodwa I feel ukuthi there's many angles to your story yabona. Maybe singakangeni kakhulu on my comments ngoba asikafiki emaphethelweni wendaba. Bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi uyowasho ukuthi ubaba uyowashona bekwenzeka lini?
No accident.
No bekathola ingozi
accident.
Okay, I'm very sorry about that. So between you namaphoyisa ngicela ungitshele ngaleyo relationship eninaba nayo between wena namaphoyisa ever since this thing started up until now makes it to evaluate case.
Angeke ngithi besine relationship close. Because sometimes when uza ne lead ne mina I feel like they were not following ama lead wethu amaphoyisa. I think ngabe umntana sekatholakele abe ba follow ama lead wethu yabona. So bebangatswafu ukuhlala 8 months bangas update ukuthi kwenzakalani. Then after leyo 8 months you'll get an SMS ukuthi sekuphethe umuntu omusha awumazi naloyo muntu omusha ngakeze ezinasendlini kuzosho ukuthi okay yimi engiphethe icase manje uyabona so njoba ngishilo ukuthi ngazi abantu abayi-3 kuphela mina ngoba case bakhe baba nami bakhuluma nami bahamba nathi kule ndlela ngazi abantu abayi-3 kuphela the other ones angibazi just nje bengibathola nge-SMS ukuthi hayi seyiphethe umuntu oso seyiphethe umuntu oso so we once talk to them ukuthi besicela lo waqala necase yomntana because loya baba wayesebenza
Okay.
so we once tell them ukuthi no sicela kubuyele ubaba lo beyaphethe icase yomntwana kokuqala basitshela ukuthi angeke asakhona ukubuyela because sekanama case amaningi yabona sathi bathina we feel comfortable naye because bekawenza umsebenzi wakhe lo baba lo bekungapheli 2 weeks angasirepoteli ukuthi kwenzakalani noma angisho we understand ukuthi angeke njalo kuhlale kuthola lead njalo uthola lead yabona so size sathi okay ke noma ngahlala 2 months but nisitshele ukuthi no icase yona sisayenza sisafuna yabona so but bekungayenzakali kanjalo bekumele thina size sibuze ukuthi kuhamba kanjani uyabona so manje nje amaphoyisa mina ngifuna ucamba manga asifailile kakhulu asifailile kakhulu amaphoyisa wasetsakani because noma ungaye epolice station manje asetsakani kuwe ufika ubuze ngecase amahle they don't know they don't know what's happening ku case ka amahle uyabona so that's why ngithi amaphoyisa asifailile kakhulu and icase yasetsakani but bathi izophatha iFCS yase Springs
kanjani
ureport etsakane bathi mabasichazela bathi no it's because bekungana office bekungana space
okay
because ipolice station beyisaseyile yakudala ingakakhiwa le entsha saseda so bebangana space so office balithola eSprings
okay
so bathi kithi basetsakane just ukuthi base Springs ngendaba zama office yes basho kanjalo but mawuzoye epolice station ubuze ngecase amahle bakutshela ukuthi hambe Springs but bathe icase asetsakani yabona so manje yiko bese sinalento yokuthi endeni kusizana uzothi epolice station uhlangana nomuntu uyambuza akazi next uyabona so njalo bekumele seSprings so kuze ukuthi sekuhamba kanjani manje izona so and the way ngingasho ukuthi bebayenza umsebenzi wawo amaphoyisa but the way I was so traumatized amaphoyisa ngakhona yeah because after the case ka amahle kuye kwaba naleya lo mama bekathengisa umntana nge-20,000 yabona so sebahleli kulento leyo manje
ukuthi nina
bahlala le yes sebahleli lapho kimi ke manje I was so yabona mina ngihluphekile mina ngifuna ucamba manga bahamba eMpumalanga bayile mina la ngibuya khona
phenya wena
sebaphenya mina like I'm the suspect they told me straight ukuthi I'm the suspect so mangibabuza ukuthi laba njengabombali ngibuza ukuthi umbali uyini ke yena bathi no umbali bikasiza you are the suspect yabona so bahamba ke baye eMpumalanga bafika basesha everyone basekhaya yabona babasesha bangitshela ukuthi you must not leave eGauteng mina but mawuthi uyabheka umbali usema Cape Town uyajabula yazi mina I must not leave manje mangihamba ngireport ukuthi no manje ngihamba ngeMpumalanga ngithi and they know ukuthi I don't go anywhere mina ngeMpumalanga ngizile eMpumalanga nje kuphela so kwaba nalesikhathi sokuthi vele ithi ngingayi eMpumalanga yabona bayenza into abafuna ukuyenza because there was this other day ngihleli endlini ayimani ngibona izinja ejardini lasekhaya ngibona izinja ziyahamba then mangithi hayike ngiboneke lo phoyisa ophethe case angene ngithi hayibo izinja ekhaya uthi no sithole anonymous call yes bathi wena ugubhela amahle emva kwe toilet I was like simgubhele toilet emva kwe toilet kanjani and it was maybe after a year yeah it was 2020 mabazuzana lezo yes but no but wena umgubhele emva kwetoilet indluni yakhe ngemali kahle kahle amahle nimgciyile nathengisa yabona like uyacabanga ukuthi ngiba traumatized kanjani mabazongitshela into enjalo ukuthi ngenza into ezinjalo emntwaneni so basho ke ukuthi no manje besizosesha besiyenza izinja ukuthi yabona inja vele yazi izositholela so baqeda lapho bathola ukuthi I know akuna next then I have to go ngiyokhipha ama bank statement sonke endlini sisebenzayo kumele sikhipha ama bank statement ukuthi no lendlu siyakhe because sifuna sithatha ama loan angisho sakhe indlu because siyasebenza yabona kanti sekumele siyeke nje ngoba yabona bathi no besifuna vele ukuthi endeni sibe nemali ngithi okay fine bengifuna ukuba nemali anginamoto ngisahlala ekhaya ngakabi nento yami but bengifuna ukuba rich ngomntanami kanjani so bathi no besiconfirma le call but mina mangafona manje ngithi kunento esoso ngeke beza
confirm
yes
yeah to me if you are chasing different leads as a parent I would not have a problem
yeah.
Okay because anenza into engiyenze kodwa akube nezinye izinto enezenzayo ezikhomba ukuthi nizama
ngayo yonke indlela
ukuthi nizokhona ukuthola iqiniso leyo ukuthi niza kimi nakithi angiyisoli ngisola nje leyo ukuthi mekunezinye izinto aninyakazi from an investigation point of view ngiya understand but ke engayi understand ukuthi bangalandeleli
ezinye
amanye ama leads awakhona ngicela ungitshele ngalelanga uthola iSMS ethi case is closed
yo
uzizwa kanjani kwenzakala
ovela kwami ingqondo I mean like ngavele ngahamba ngiyotshengisa ubaba ngathi qedithula SMS manje ithi my father was so furious ayakwada lo yamkhulu ke yena wathatha ifone same time yena wafona akafona bathi maseninayo nine new lead sizoyivula shothi thina mele senze umsebenzi manje sifuna umntwana bese mase khona ileader sithola siyobatshela bese khani bazovula icase uyayibona shothi ayishothi manje bazorelaxa bazolinda thina ukuthi sifuna sifuna ilead bese sizobanikeza abavula icase ukuthi hayithi silandele la and mina bengizitshela ukuthi this person wokugcina cause bekeza kahle besimboneza kahle asazi kuvele kwatshintsha phi uyabona besimbona eza kahle kumuntu osebenzayo but asazi kwatshintsha phi ke ukuthi azi manje sikayo yabona sikaba distance nathi because bekumuntu ozayo endlini azoreporta yabona because since ukugcina kwakhe wathi uzositholela icrime intelligence ne ufuna iyo interview umbali uyabona since lapho asange sathola ifeedback ukuthi kwenzakalani yes because wathi izoqala lapha endlini yabona izothatha istatement lezi because yena ukusho kwakhe wathi into ezinizishoyo la endlini ezinye ku doctor zikho yabona that's why yena ayewathatha ukuthi then ufuna ukuza la azozwa thina ukuthi kwenzakalani so saba nalento ngithi ukuthi osho ukuthi masikhuluma bayenza ngathi bayabhala but abayifaki ku docket that thing because usitshela ukuthi isitory sikambala sikho ku docket
hayibo
I'm serious uye wasifaka sekeza vele sekabhala that's why wathi angizomfollow umbali yabona because angeke as an information engaka bese uyayekwa nje kanjalo yabona so manje mina vele my problem lezi ezinye ngiyazibona azina sisinde singako lo ukuthi vele bahambile bayosesha la but mina vele ngisakhala ngombali ukuthi she can't do that ukuthi yabona nginento engaka but after that enjoy impilo yami ngemnandi mina uyabona because thina baye bathatha amafoni ami antika amahle baye bayithatha ifoni yakhe neyami bayosesha bathi bayithathile nekambali but sibona umbali thina uyaposta but ifoni yakhe ithathiwe kanjani yabona mara thina wethu lokahleli kuthiwa kuyasesha ukuthi sikhuluma nabo bani yabona into ezinjalo
senama suspects
thina kahle esayidini lakhabo amahle antika Amahle lo ufana noAmahle bekuye Shemosogolayo bakhe bamlanda bathi bayombopha bamlanda emsebenzini bathi bayambopha the day bazothi bahamba nami eMpumalanga so yabona ukuthi and then like the way lama families ayithu ahlukumezeke ngakhona it's a lot and abantu bathi ubazokutshela ukuthi no uya pretend ufuna ukubonakala ufuna ifame ungafuna ifame ngokulahlekelwa umntwana ufuna kanjani ifame ngokulahlekelwa umntwana because when you just uyazi ukuthi njengoba ngize la ngizokhuluma ngiyazi ukuthi khona abantu abazothi Nkosi yami konje khona abanye mhlawumbe vele bese bakhohliwe ukuthi because angisho kuye kwaba ne story angazi lo umuntu article ayenza wayithathaphi ukuthi uAmahle utholakala ushonile uyayibona so abantu abaningi mawubatshela ukuthi no Amahle sisamfuna till today bathi no thina sabona ukuthi Amahle wabhala ku Facebook ukuthi Amahle ushonile uyayibona vele bekubhalwa vele izinto ezinjalo zenzakala makuzofika i6 or i25 ibhedeka Amahle nge25 ngoNovember kuba nale story yabona lezi angazo bayenza ukuthi abantu bakhohlwe bangasachubeki ngokumfuna yes so istory ezinjalo zifika ngalawo malanga lawo vele njalo ngiyazi ukuthi vele makuzoba i6 or i25 ngizogula yabona that's why I'm not ku social media that much yeah at least sengumngane nami yabona manje sebazihluphela yena Nkosi yami sebazihluphela yena nobhuti wami ke naye ke bahlupha yena kakhulu but mina angikho kakhulu njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngayibona ikholeni ngibone sekukudala nakhona sekangitshela ukuthi endeni bangiloko ngihamba lapha ngisho ngine true call ngayenza true call because so ngifonelwa abantu abaningi engabazi so uma ngihamba lapha time most labantu bangifonelile fa ngoba bangifonela so mina ama calls isikhathini esiningi ngiwanaki ifoni ngibeka le mina esikhathini esiningi
yazi ngikusoli ngoba mele ube sendaweni ekhuselekile i-energy yakho sensitive so akumele ibe accessible so ngaleyo ndaba thina sikusoli si understand ukuthi mental health is something that's very sensitive to trauma victims so nanoma ukuthi bungatholakala sithatha njengento yokuthi mhlawumbe kunani because that's the culture mostly with people that are undergoing these things ukuthi abafuni mafoni yazi umuntu one depression ifoni akayifuni uyibekela le ngoba yamfrustrate so I think i-story sakho siyazwakala mama and you know it's very painful to go through what you're going through. But I think because most of our guests are ladies, I even have a slogan now. It's Tina Mbogo. We are born. Utintegile. Manje. Mutinte melutin. We are born. Into ilwelayo. Awuli wedwa. Awulweli wena wedwa. So manje mulahleli thawula. You also give up on other people as well because sizothi mesikubheka lento mesiyenzekile kithi sibheke wena sithi hayi ayikho into ezoyenza cause bheka umama kaMahle naye uyabona ayikho uzoyenza uyabona so I think into kumele nje uzitshele nje ukuthi your new purpose in life is finding your child and also helping mhlambe abanye abantu can be a form of therapy because siyazi ukuthi kunabanye abomama abakhala ngalento nokhala baningi beza ukuthi bayathumela ama message ukuthi hey nami nanoma mesiposta le episode ukhona ozokhuluma ku comments ukuthi nami ngihlangane nento enjalo so no thina siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uzinike isikhathi sakho sokuthi uzoshare story sakho because believe it or not isiqinisa abanye omama le ngaphansi abalahlekelwe ke kwamampela abanye ke ukuthi abazi nanokuthi bayenzeni ngale ndaba ebabhekene nayo omunye umuntu angabe ezitshela ukuthi into ahlangane nayo ibhlungu and then bese kezwe story sakho then they find a little bit of peace in what they're going through so into yakho leyo yenza namhlanje awusizi wena ususiza nabanye so unga give up but it's number
1 ngicela ukusho something before so as sifuna usizo ne we have a backup body page like abantu like it's a GoFundMe page ukuthi sizothola private investigator because ne ngiyasebenza but I can't afford them yabona so sizothola i-private investigator and then ngifuna njoba ushilo ukuthi like ayikuthi amahle kuphela njengoba usishilo so like ngifuna ukuvula NGO.
Okay.
Yeah, like abamama like mina ngiye ngaba nenhlanhla ngathola like abangani abaso like ukuthi no sizokusiza kuyo yonke lento. Khona abantu abangananhlanhla ukuthi then mhlambe uye walahlekelwa umntwana kwathula nje kwaba kanjalo. Yabona so mina ngiye ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngithola abantu abasupportive yabona abakhonayo ukuthi and then no angeke siyeke lento ukuthi ithule. So like uzo help abantu abanjalo yabona. Yeah, so sizovula ne-Facebook page yonke into emalelana noamahle yabona but to help other people. Yes, sizoba ne-Facebook page nje ne-TikTok page ne-YouTube, Instagram.
Nice.
Yes, and so just nje for help. Yeah, ukuthi abantu mhlawumbe bayazi ukuthi no konje kune-NGO yaka amahle so yabona. So ngimangaya lapha ngizothola usizo like abantu bathola usizo because mina benginalento ukuthi ndeni if bengasebenzi lo msebenzi ongusebenzayo mhlawumbe manje abangisasebenzi because ukugula kuvele kuvuke nje yabona so ngaba ngisasebenzi and ngaba ngina medical mhlawumbe abadala ngashona yabona so cause manje asho yazi at least mina ngiyakhona ukuthola usizo khona abangakhona ukuthola usizo yabona so mina ngikhonile ukuthola usizo abo doctor ba right ukuthi endeni no akusiphela kumhlaba yabona bayakhona ukumotivate so like ngifuna ukuthi kube kanjalo mhlawumbe umuntu makathi yazi ngidinga i-social work akhona ukuyithola yabona ngisize nje kanjalo abantu and ngingakhona ukubonga nje abantu abafiyo.
No,
okay.
Go ahead, yeah.
So ngithanda nokubonga ifamily kaThabethe. Family kaThabethe has been through with me kuyo yonke lento uyazi ukuthi ngabe amanye amafamily bebazothi umenzeni umntanethu yabona so but ngithi there is kunale unity esinayo yokuthi sifuna umntwana yabona bengithanda nje ukubonga ifamily kaThabethe ngibonga ufanele ngaba ngikho la ngaba akusuye wenze yonke lento ngibona ifanele then ngibonge bonke abantu abangisupportayo then kakhulu I would like to thank my employer banami kuyo yonke into yabona so ngithanda ukubonga nje ukuthi ndeni ngiyabasebenzela abantu abaso because bazithathile basifaka ecathulweni sami yeah so like banami kuyo yonke lento lena yabona so bengithanda nje ukubabonga ukuthi ngibonge support
no nathi siyababonga bayenza umsebenzi
omkhulu
bayasikhombisa ukuthi emhlabeni kusasenethemba lokuthi abakhalayo bangalithola usizo because into ebuhlungu ukuthi umuntu uvelelwe ngento eso ukhalela kuphi uyabona ukhala uzokhala kodwa ukhala kabuhlungu mangabe ungenayo indawo yokukhalela uyabona mhlambe another simple scenario unganamali it's one thing but mungazi ukuthi uzoyithola kuba worse because awazi ukuthi usizo lakho luzobuya kuphi so no siyababonga kakhulu and thina we encourage that ukuthi as a country as a community let's come together sisibambane sisizane honestly singabi sikhiphelana amazinyo ukuthi sazi ukuthi ngasemuva siyalimazana uyabona so siyababonga nabo kakhulu mhlambe njengoba usushilo ukuthi inamba yakho ikhiphile mhlambe ungaba comfortable ukuthi uyikhiphe futhi ukuthi umuntu ozofuna ukuthi akuthinte akusize akhona ukuthola easy or suyishintshile inamba
number yabangayishintsha ngayishintsha
okay mhlambe ungabanika inamba ukuthi mbe kufuna bakufuna ukuthi bakuthole okay
it's 071 644 0815
okay
yes
oyiphinde futhi
071 644 0815
siyabonga no ithi ngibonge kuwe mama officially
mina kubonga mina bonga mina ukuthi ninginikele ithuba
no nathi siyabonga ukuthi ubonile ukuthi this is a family that you can associate with. You give us more credibility. You justify our cause. So siyakubonga kuloko. I think igini enibukele especially omama ngiyasho futhi ngithi qina mbokodo mangabe ningacinanga ayikho into esizoyenza la emhlabeni. In this platform we mostly see omama beza bazokhala. Angazi ukuthi amadoda wakuphi ukhala omama kuphela. Siyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe in this case ubaba akasekho, but mangabe ukhona ubaba, ngicela nawe ucine nembokodo yakho, ubambe ngesandla, nenze lento ekumele iyenzwe. Ungathi isimo mesivele esikudingayo ubususondele move. In that situation you're supposed to even come more closer so that you can then hold hands with your partner, hold hands with your soulmate and your lover, so that things in this world can become easier. Because to have someone that loves you, it's a sincere gift. There are people that are looking for that, they can't find it. But yeah, thank you so much for being with us from the beginning of this episode up until where we are currently. And we really appreciate that you have been part of this journey. You will be part of this story going forward. And it's not going to end where we, end off the channel and close it. You're going to reach out to Umama and try and see how you can assist her with her dreams. Regardless of what she's going through, she still has ambitions. She still has dreams. She wants to achieve a thing here or two. And it's no longer about her. It's about the bigger community. So let's come and enable her. Let's hold hands with her. And let's assist her in what she wants to achieve. Thank you so much for joining us once again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are here and we are the revolution. You are the revolution. Thank you so much. This is Hope Revolution. My name is Mraro. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.